How to delete Facebook business page. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So for this, just simply open up your Facebook account, and after that, on the left hand side panel, you will be able to find a list. Simply click on the option of see more, and after that, scroll down. Over here, you will be able to find the option of pages. In case if you are on mobile device, then just simply go to the menu section, and there you will be able to find the pages section. Simply open pages, and after that you will be able to find all the pages that you are currently managing. Switch to that particular page or that business page, and after that wait for a while. This way you would be able to open up your profile. Now click on the option of settings on the left hand side. Basically open the settings of your business page. After that, click on the option of privacy, then select the option of Facebook page information. After that, at the last option, you will be able to find that you can either deactivate your Facebook page or delete it permanently. So just simply click on this option of view, and after that it will ask you what is it that you want to do. Simply click on this option of delete and continue, and this way you would be able to delete your Facebook business page. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.